Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Trading Disabled error in your MetaTrader 5 app. So if you're trying to place a trade and it keeps getting rejected, just follow along step by step and we'll get it sorted out. All right, let's dive in. Open your MetaTrader 5 app on your phone or computer. First, try placing a trade like you normally would. If you see the Trading Disabled message pop up, don't worry. This usually has a simple fix. The first thing you need to check is whether the market is open. Go to the Market Watch section and look at the price quotes. If the numbers are moving up and down, the market is open. But if the prices are frozen and not changing, that means the market is closed. Remember, Forex markets close on weekends, and other assets like indices, commodities, or crypto follow your broker's trading hours. If the market is closed, you'll need to wait until it reopens. Next, check your account status. Go to your account section and make sure you're properly logged in. At the top, you should see your account number and server name. Then check your mailbox or notifications for any messages like account verification pending or trading disabled. If you're using a demo account, it might have expired. If you're using a real account, it may still need verification. Sometimes brokers temporarily restrict trading, so this is important to confirm. Now, let's check your balance and margin. Go to the Trade tab and look at your free margin. If your free margin is too low, MT5 may block your trade and show trading disabled. Also, make sure your lot size isn't too big for your account balance. If needed, reduce the lot size and try again. If everything looks fine, the market is open, your account is active, and you have enough margin, but you're still getting the error, here's the final step. Contact your broker's support team. Open their live chat or support page and tell them, "I'm getting a trading disabled error in MT5. Can you please check my account?" In most cases, they can fix the issue within minutes. And that's it. There's no single reset button for this error, but by checking the market status, your account verification, and your margin, you can quickly get your MT5 trading back on track.